Hi, I'm Nancy Plants. Welcome to another video. Today, me and Evan are going to be making, careful sweetheart, we're making a recipe from the YouTube channel, Depression Cooking with Clara. What are we cooking?
Chicken butt.
No.
We're cooking chicken butt.
We are cooking pasta with peas. All right, pray for me. I'm cooking with a 4-year-old.
Chicken butt.
All right, so let's get started. So Depression Cooking with Clara is a channel with this lovely older lady who just shows you some of her, oh, Evan's playing with the camera, some of her recipes from when she was growing up during the Depression. Clara herself has passed away, but her recipes live on. And this one just so happens to be pretty much vegan. So you start with some potato and onion for this dish. So very cheap ingredients. And this recipe, I wanted to see how kid-friendly it was, so I made it with my son. And the way Clara starts, she starts with a cold pan, and she has the potatoes and onions in the pan. So that's what I'm going to do. And she says to cook the potatoes and onions until the potatoes get easy. So I imagine what she means by that, that they start to brown a little bit. So that's what I'm doing. Don't worry. I'll help with that. Have fun. So now I think the potatoes are starting to look a little rosy. There's a little bit of starch sticking to the bottom of the pot. And I'm going to open up just a plain old can of peas. Again, very affordable stuff that you can have in your pantry. It's all good stuff. I really like this recipe. It's very simple. And you're going to dump the whole can of peas, juice and all, into there. And this is the struggle that I'm dealing with. My son just constantly trying to be in the shot when I don't want his face on the internet. So the juice from the peas will kind of deglaze the pot a little bit. And then you want to add in, she adds in warm water, but I'm actually adding some homemade vegetable broth, just because. And you want to add the vegetable broth and bring it up, or add the water or vegetable broth and bring it up to a boil. And then we're going to add in small pasta, and the pasta that she used looked like ditalini, so that's why I'm using ditalini, and add that to the water. She never shared any measurements, so I kind of got a little scared here and add more water. And she also cooked it with the remaining heat in the pot, which I didn't do because then I thought I had too much liquid. Yep. So you also want to season with salt and pepper to taste, obviously. And at the end, when she cooked hers, she said it was lacking something, so she added some tomato sauce. I didn't have any tomato sauce, so I'm just using some crushed tomatoes. So I'm going to add a few spoonfuls of that, following along her video. I just want to stay true to what she was doing. So here I'm adding in a little bit of the pasta sauce, and my son's trying to get on camera. Yeah. And I'm going to mix that in. And that's about it. So if you want to know about the, oh, I'm adding more. If you want to know a little bit more about this channel, I will link that recipe of hers down below. And I would implore you just to watch a few more videos on her channel. They're really interesting. She talks about her life during the Depression, all of that. So this is the finished product. And it looks really kid-friendly. She put Parmesan on hers. I put my vegan Parmesan on mine, so I'll link that recipe down below as well. And that's it. My son loved it. I liked it. Thanks for watching.